What does fair treatment by authorities really mean for women under Indian law? Fair treatment is not just a general expectation, it is a legal requirement. Every authority, whether it is the police, investigating agencies, or courts, is bound by law to treat women with dignity, respect, and equality. But what does this actually look like in real situations? First, fair treatment means that a woman must not be discriminated against at any stage of the legal process. Her complaint must be taken seriously without bias, judgment, or delay. When a woman approaches the police, her complaint must be recorded properly. In certain cases, especially involving sensitive offences, the law requires that her statement be recorded by a woman police officer, ensuring comfort and dignity. Fair treatment also includes the right to privacy. In cases involving serious offences, proceedings may be conducted in a manner that protects the identity and dignity of the woman. This may include in-camera hearings where the general public is not allowed inside the courtroom. Another important aspect is protection from harassment or intimidation during the process. Authorities must ensure that a woman is not subjected to unnecessary questioning, repeated harassment, or any form of coercion. The law clearly prohibits any treatment that violates personal dignity or mental peace. Fair treatment also extends to how a woman is treated during arrest or investigation. For example, there are restrictions on arresting women at night except in exceptional circumstances and with proper legal procedure. The presence of women police officers is often required to ensure safety and respect. Courts have repeatedly emphasized that dignity is not optional, it is a fundamental part of justice. This means that even while enforcing the law, authorities must act within limits and follow procedures that respect human dignity. However, awareness is crucial. Many women may not know that such protections exist. Without awareness, it becomes difficult to assert these rights when needed. So fair treatment is not just about what the law says, it is about how the law is implemented in practice with sensitivity, respect, and accountability. A woman has the right to be heard, to be protected, and to be treated with dignity at every step. Indian laws explained. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.